Hi, I'm Robert Velez. I'm the sales director for Easescreen, and what I'm going to show you today is one of our solutions with our partners. It's called Lift and Learn, and what we can do is we can take ordinary signage and make it interactive. So if a customer has, for example, in this case, several perfumes, they can literally lift one of the examples of the perfume, and that will automatically trigger the content in our software so that it will display the actual image or advertisement that's related with each one of the products. And just by picking it up, it automatically triggers that content. And it doesn't matter which order they put it back. It won't confuse it because it uses technology that will recognize each product, and that will automatically trigger the content onto the screen, giving the customer what they want to see, which is the information, maybe pricing, about the product that they're interested in looking at. And you can find this all on our website at www.easescreen.com.